Hello and welcome to this live. This is going to be about some beautiful pieces today that we're going to be seeing. Very warm welcome to everyone who's joined the Neep community, the Neep circle, all recently. Now these lives are what we do. I think बहुत दिन बाद live हुआ है. So this live is what we do. और आप कुछ collection देखते हैं, आप WhatsApp पे आते हैं, उनका screenshot लेके and आप उसका order place कर सकते हैं. Whether you're in India, whether you're outside India, wherever you are. So it's always such a great pleasure to be doing this. Really happy. This I think Wednesday morning, right? So yeah, we are on a Tuesday morning. Yeah, so the week is moving really fast. Anyways, lots of things for us to plan, to catch up. Always, our studio is super busy. Give me a minute. Yes, I think it's working fine now. So okay, so what you're seeing me wear here is our premium brocade fabric. Now, of course, it is a brocade fabric. It is pure silk. बट इसका जो पूरा पैलेट आप देखोगे जो हमने पूरा डिजाइन किया है इट्स ऑल फॉर पेस्टल्स so basically colors which you can wear all season including this. We've also just posted, so this is the whole look with the dupatta. This is the 26,800 dupatta. This fabric is 9,800 per meter. Now I'm also showcasing to you the whole look right there. I will be showcasing more colors. We put up the picture just now on Instagram and Facebook. Plain silk bottom, थोड़ा सा कली है इसमें, it's not too flary. The detailing of the buttons that you can do, potly buttons, and of course you can dress it up with jewelry as much as you want. It always looks really amazing. Give it a couple of seconds on Facebook, it will just kind of get okay. If there's ever a problem, आप जरूर Instagram पे आ सकते हैं, वहाँ भी हमारा live simultaneously चलता है. So now first things first, मैं क्या दिखाने वाली हूँ आपको are some really nice जॉर्जेट दुपट्टास टू गो. ऑफकोर्स जो मैंने पहना था दुपट्टा इसके साथ वो भी जॉर्जेट था. वील कम बैक टू दैट. इस फैब्रिक के सारे ही कलर्स आई विल जस्ट शो यू इन अ बिट, बट बिफोर दैट आई वांट टू शो यू सम स्टेटमेंट पीसेस दैट आई हैव इन ऑफकोर्स बांदी एंड ऑल्सो बनारसी मीनाकारी दुपट्टा इन जॉर्जेट. नाउ लुक एट these are beautiful flowy. एक black dupatta, just it came from the tassel, so I thought let me just show it to you. It's perfection, each one of this piece, and it's become, yes, this season's हमारी speciality, which is black and white bandi dupattas. And if you ask me, white and blacks we make, constantly we are making, but the only piece that I have is this one stunning black piece. So if you see a piece like this and you have it on your mind कि मुझे लेना है, then you have to go instantly for it. Now the next up is this. Now we've gone to a Banarsi Sona Rupa Georgette dupatta in that light and pastel color. अब इसके साथ आप plain silk सूट पहन सकते हैं. We have chinia silk, which is very summer friendly. पतला होता है, बहुत thick नहीं होता है, and soft sheen flowy. Georgette suits also possible, तो वो भी हम कर सकते हैं. But look at the beauty of this dupatta. It's just, but of course you may say that मेरे पास एक बहुत अच्छा सूट है जिसके साथ you can have a white suit, a gold suit, जिसके साथ ये बहुत सुंदर जाएगा. Then of course you can pick just the dupattas up and look at that. That's your full look. So it's dressy. It's got this two color zari, which I think also is really good because आप इसको अलग तरीके से dress up कर सकते हैं. You can wear it with diamonds, you can wear it with gold, you can wear it with pearl. Of course I'm talking about jewelry because don't we all do that? We decide कि हमें वो क्या पहनना है, and then for a major event, and then we decide कि हम कपड़ा क्या पहनेंगे. So from that perspective I'm telling you. Now one more here, and it's a very hot and beautiful orange color for you. And look at this one. Now this has all Meena, and yes, honestly full look in the base color, चाहे आप जॉर्जेट पिक करें या सिल्क, बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. And always I just feel that the moment because we've been interacting with so many of you for so many years, we always feel that अगर आप पूरे looks लेते हैं, match color सूट, या आप सूट ले रहे हैं तो दुपट्टा उसके साथ अगर आप पूरा लेते हैं सेट, तो वो तुरंत आप पहन पाते हैं, in contrast to pieces. Now look at that amazing color. There is just that touch of Meena बीच में, and mainly it is Sona and Rupa in the zari. वो पहने जाते हैं सूट्स, because कई बार हम ले लेते हैं, फिर हम उसका दुपट्टा ढूंढने जाते हैं या हम उसका फैब्रिक ढूंढने जाते हैं और वो सूट्स कभी आ ही नहीं पाते हैं. So from that perspective. Now look at that. This is our figure design. And it's a beautiful, so this is of course for all of those of you who like and love to wear figures. This is a parrot design on it. Now look at the finishing. They're absolutely finished, done. And yes, I think many of you joining us from specifically one country at the moment, which is US. Remember, we use DHL, we ship worldwide, and we've been doing this for a very, very long time. We do have a website, www.neep.store. Additionally, the lives happen, और इसमें आप the most beautiful collections turn up in this. You can also see the past lives, which is like just a video now, so you can see that. And making payment is very, very easy with us. I know many of you prefer Western Union or bank transfer like Remitly. Now, but the thing is with Remitly is that we have a current account. So if you can do it, then good. Otherwise, I've seen a lot of transaction getting cancelled. तो फिर आपको you should use Razorpay in US dollar link and no extra charges for you. Just अगर $11 है तो $11 charge होगा. So yeah, very, very simple. Now I love the fact that this has a very elaborate border. और इसके बाद, we've done so much tissue, Georgette, that we're going to do one tissue dupatta. And yes, this is one beautiful dupatta for you. This is in tissue and this is in karwa, and it has meena, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's silk tissue, so it's very, very soft. You can see. But I think iski jo sabse khas baat hai, look at the finesse of the beauty of the meena. It's so well made. It's all in karwa, of course. But iski jo khasiyat hai is, I think, the color for me. I think it's to die for. This combination of this brown with gold. It's a very, very beautiful. With this, I would suggest a border color suit or the base color suit in silk. That's what I would say to you. Now we will also. इसके बाद एक और stunning मुझे silk दुपट्टा दिखाना है आपको. So I'm going to show you that one. Now look at that. Here it is. इसका बूटा उल्टा है. मैं इसे सीधा करके दिखाती हूँ. I love this dupatta because it's such a stunning shade of red and pink. So guys, yes, it's a two-tone color in Katan silk. So you saw the tissue, वैसा ही beautiful karwa बूटा है. But इसको हमने क्या किया है? This dupatta we made it less width, so that it's very easy for you to carry. So you can see, it's very, very easy. And it's such a unique color combination of the color pink and the color red. And you can see it right here. It's one stunning dupatta. What's very unique, of course, color is the most unique part in it. The beautiful mix of red and pink. Karwa weave and it's the fabulous Katan silk, which always is good, but I'm just telling you. Now, next up is one look that you can never go wrong with, ever. Always a classic. Now, this is a satin fabric. This is the perfect cream color with red cut touch. And you can buy this by the meter, wear any red dupatta that you may have in your wardrobe. It's a stunning. So this is our satin fabrics that we make. They look amazing, and the boota is small enough कि आप इसको same on same भी पहन सकते हैं. So you can do that same on same look as well. Now, so with this, but I have to show you one full perfect combination. तो मैं आपको जरूर दिखाऊंगी, and that is this one. Now look at that. This good enough for a same on same, because आप देखो कितना छोटा है बूटा, बहुत सुंदर लगेगा same on same में. Or else you can of course go for a plain silk bottom and this dupatta, a combination that will always look good, no matter the season, the time of the year, the fabric that you're going to go for. But yes, it is one perfect silk combination, but it's the most evergreen Banarsi combination that you're going to see. Now, next up, what you're going to be seeing is मैंने जो fabric पहना, और मैं इसमें I'm going to come a little close so that it's really easy for you to see, and I'm going to show you the different colors. Now this is one color. It's a shade of mauve. It's not pink. It's a mauvish shade, more of a mauvish pinkish shade. So this is one color. It's available. You can get it. I'll show you the dupatta also. But इसके पहले आप दूसरे colors देखें. They're very, very pretty. And look at that. It's such a nice full combination. If you want looking for a silhouette like mine, you will need 3 to 3.5 meter, because kali bhi hai और kali bhi hai, full sleeves bhi hai. So you will need 3 to 3.5. If you're going to go for a straight look, then of course you're just going for 2.5 and plain silk bottom. You want to dress it up more. Look at that. It's so pretty. This is a shade of green. Now the next one, here it is. This is the shade of pink. Look at that. Yes, the dupatta is perfection in itself. This is one pretty collection. Now you can see बहुत color difference है, which is why I'm showing it to you with mine. Mine is more of a mauvish. This one is a little pink combination. अब इसके बाद मैं एकदम अलग color दिखाती हूँ आपको, which is, look at this. This is a lilac color. So pretty. Everything is, you know, the unique look is the weave, how it's been made, and I'm going to show this to you like this. You can see it. You can see the back, absolutely clean. Look at this, super soft, and this is your dupatta that you're going for. I think it's very, very pretty. So now this one, here you go, it's a shade of very light blue. Ye ek shade of blue, and then I'm going to show you the last one color in it that we have, and you know, so that's the last one color that I'm going to show you. So this one is a more like a sky blue. So see this, there you go, here it is, this with this dupatta, and it's just beautiful. You know, this dupatta, I think we you know, we of course we have it, it's one of our classics, and we can never have enough of it. What I mean is that they're always getting sold out. They're such good dupattas just to have in your wardrobe. If you kind of want to do a lighter look, you can always go for silk plain suits or chinya buta suits with it, if that's what you're looking for. But ye look to of course perfection hai. It's a full look. Now here you go. This is the last color that we're doing. This is a shade of grey. So that's the grey shade that we have. And yes, it you know, so you have a lot of colors for you to choose from, for you to pick from. So there you go. This is the last color. जो मेरा color है मैं आपको एक दिखा देती हूँ. This is the color that I am wearing for you to just see. As I said, you can call it a little shade of purple. You can also call it pink. So it's a pink purple shade. Make sure you've seen the pictures on the Facebook and Instagram. That's where you can see all of them. Now back to the dupattas, which is why I'm going to kind of move backward so that you can just see. And there you go. Here it is. Some lovely dupattas, stunning. And these are the 18,800. You can just, oh, look at that. Isn't this just perfect? One nice, wonderful dupatta for you to have. And I'm going to show you the shades that are available. Great pieces for all. Now that's a, you know, it's not a, it's like a brown black, you know, this one. It's not a jet black, it's a brown black, because, you know, we've, if you see it very closely, you can see why it's brown, because it's woven with red. So black and, you know, you can see that the black and the red resulting in the wonderful brownish shade that it is. This is a maroonish. So you saw the first shade, which was this very nice Rani pink, then a maroon, then a brown, and then this is the hot pink that you can see. All of these dupattas, now I'm just going to show you. Look at that. They're wonderful, they're soft, they are full widths. Okay guys, always remember, हमारे दुपट्टे बहुत generous होते हैं, full width, full sizes. You don't have to worry about यार मुझे, you know, length काफी होएगा कि नहीं. Now next up, some nice Munga silk suit sets for you to see. I will open probably one or two. They come with full, you know, the bottom as well is done. And this is such an unusual shade. Now look at that. That's the bottom, then that's the plain Munga bottom. That's the kurta with Meena. और मैं इसको आपको दिखाती भी हूँ खोल के, you know, because it kind of just, you know, just makes it really easy for you to imagine how you're going to look is going to be. The tassels have been done. Everything is ready. Now look at that. Here it is. This is your complete Munga silk look. I have more colors in it. Now this one is a shade of pink, as you can see. There you go. This one is a pink shade, and they will ship out today. So if you're planning to wear them this season now, then yes, these are there. हम दुनिया भर में ship करते हैं, so that's never an issue. You can place your order from any corner of the world. Take a payment in your links as well, you know, in your currency, whichever you prefer. So that's also possible. One very, very attractive color, something that's always good. No matter how much you have of it, it's never enough. इसमें tassel नहीं किया हुआ है, but of course we will get it done for you. And it's a beautiful shade, a very sunny, bright, a wonderful shade of yellow. The very last one that I have is this for you to see, and it's a shade of purple. There you go. बस that's आज का live हमारा इतना ही था. मैं 2-3 दुपट्टे आपको और दिखाऊंगी, and that's it. Then we are done. We just wanted to come, say hi to you, show these lovely pieces that we do have. But yes, if there is any occasion that you are planning, this is a wonderful suit to wear. अच्छा बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन brocade, is it thick, slightly structured? Yes, you will get this wonderful look only if that उसमें कुछ दम होना चाहिए, and इसमें है. So that is one thing. Color palette पे ही depend करता है आपका पूरा look. Any which ways, you know, in summers we are always indoors, wearing like in a cooler environment. So you know you don't have to worry about that. You can see me wearing. It's soft, it's wearable, and very very rich looking. Now there you go, some dupattas again, because that's what we are also doing today. Some wonderful, and I think I love this combination itself. ये एक बात है, ये जो color है, this shade of maroon that we do, it looks really nice with a shade of pink also. So you can do this color ka suit and you can do this dupatta, but obviously you can do the base color ka suit. Options: plain katan, plain chiniya, buta chiniya. These are the three good options. Georgette, yes, plain and buta both we can do. But sometimes I prefer a silk and a georgette look more than rather than a full georgette. So depends. But look at it. It's a wonderful dupatta. कुछ और colors भी हैं मेरे पास जो मैं दिखा रही हूँ आपको. And here you go. Now a lot of you say sometimes अरे खड़े होके, but you know if you've been buying with us then you know कि live जब when you see it like this and you have seen all the close details of the piece, you've seen it really nicely here, then there is not much to, you know, कुछ और बात रह नहीं जाती है. The fabric is georgette, pure georgette only, Sona Rupa. There's a touch of Meena. It's a shade of red. Now if you ask me this, also if you ask me, इसकी length 2.5 है, width 45 है. This is the front and this is the back. Now you have all the details that you need to place your order. So just take a screenshot, come on WhatsApp and take your order. Now these things, the length, the width, the fabric, the kind of work, feel free to ask us. We'll give you the details, and that is that. Now this one, this is a hot red color. दो reds हो गए साथ में, but एकदम अलग है. उसमें पूरा जो look है, that is about the Meena and the very different जो design है. This is a bird design as you can see, और इसमें कोई और color नहीं है except for red and you know Sona and Rupa, which is the zari color, gold and silver, and which is what makes it really really flexible to kind of, you know, wear this look on many such pieces. So yes, this is also one such piece. So this was the last dupatta of today. छोटा सा एक लाइव था. We just wanted to come and show you all of these. और इस सीजन में आपको कुछ अच्छी चीजें, you know, very different looks to be able to kind of make you wear that. We want to show you this one. इसकी pictures just post की है. Munga suit, georgette dupattas, lots of it, silk dupattas, tissue ones. You have seen it all. So come on WhatsApp and place your order from wherever you are in the world. We do ship it to you. Thank you guys.